Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I have to do again because I'm near this creek, so it's pretty loud here. And I'm here to do the overnighter with no tools at all. So one of you challenged me and said, good luck, take nothing, and that's it. So stay tuned. Okay guys, what I'm looking for here is a small cave. I was here 3 years ago, I think, and there was a small cave just big enough to snug inside. I think I'm on the right way, and let's find out. This moss, I'm gonna use it later for the bedding. So here it is. You can't get better than this. Over here I have this sand which will provide me with the heat. I'm gonna show you later what I'm gonna do, because over here there is no straight material for the raised bed or something like that. Also, I'm gonna try to cover these sides a little bit here just to keep the heat inside of the shelter, but we'll see, will it work. This was my fireplace back in the day. Well, check what I found in the river. Now, of course, I'm joking. This was sent to me by Creations, and they have a great YouTube channel. Check it out. I'll leave the link in the description and also in the comment. And just don't watch it when you're hungry. And pretty nice humor over there, so make sure you check it out. Okay, we're gonna open it up. You'll see what we have inside. This is menu number 22. I had a few of these before, but I'm no expert. Okay guys, I'm gonna take some of it right now for the breakfast. Thanks again Super Mario for sending these. Check his channel in the description and the link below in the comment. Thanks again. First thing first, I want to remove all of these bigger rocks. Now let's get that moss that we saw on the way here. When you're gathering moss around here, you have to be extremely careful with these holes, because in this time of the year there could be easily snake inside, and I don't want to do the same mistake again. As many of you know, I was bitten by the horned viper, actually the nose horned viper, and he left pretty big damage on me. I'll leave the link of that vid in the description. Now let's get some more moss. I made myself over here a frame. Now I'm gonna fill it up with the moss, grass and everything, just to make it as thick as possible so it can be snuggy and I can be very warm inside. Now the moss, when it's dry, it's very nice insulator. You can't feel any cold at all. My bed is pretty much done. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add a thick layer of moss over there just to get a pillow. It's real nice. It looks like some kind of a grave, and it's really nice. You can see that this is really thick layer of moss. most importantly, it's isolated from the cold ground. There's my pillow. Okay, my bed is done. I have roof over my head. I'm well protected from the rain. Now I have to make some tools to get the fire going. And this should be straight enough. Now we have to make a notch somehow and find some little plate just to have the ember in it. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, I have this little rock, and if you're lucky it will collect all the dust over here. My hands are just burning. And this is much harder than it looks like, don't be fooled. There you go. I see something to eat. Check this little guy. Well, buddy, today's your lucky day. I have MRE with me. And just release him where he belongs. Okay, go boy. Well, that was probably the hardest fire I ever did. Now, the friction fire is very hard method. It took me almost an hour to get it done. It might look fast on a bit here in maybe 20 seconds. In real, this takes a lot of practice. Also, you're probably wondering, why did I light the fire over here? I want to heat up my meal and I won't use that flameless heater. Later on, I'm gonna move my fire to the shelter. Alright, let's check our lunch. Well, that's success. Let's check it out, guys. Now that's beautiful. While I eat this, as I always say in my every vid, guys, if you like this vid, see this subscribe button, go subscribe if you like this content, make sure that you rate this vid, and also leave a comment what you think. I really appreciate all the kind comments, all the ideas, so thank you in advance. Bon appetit. Gorgeous. Okay guys, I had no drink since this morning, so I'm having a headache a little bit. It's 4:30 and I have to find a way to boil this water. I have an idea, so we'll see will this work out. I'm gonna use again hot rocks and I'm gonna throw them inside and get them out, and then do that repeatedly until it gets boiled. Ooh. Well, that's hot. Let's continue. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this, just cool down. Then we're gonna do the taste test. Promising, but looks better than diarrhea for sure. Tastes like water, a little bit stonish taste, if you know what I mean. Just like it's a lot of calc inside. Yeah, not bad. One more time like this and I'll be fine till tomorrow. let's put some of these rocks to heat up a little bit. So far so good. It's very warm, no complaints so far. It's 7:30 p.m. I placed those rocks to heat up, and later on I'm gonna put them around here just to keep me a bit more warm. It's around 10 o'clock. It's very warm. Actually, it's hot. I have to reduce this fire a little bit. So I have these stones. They're pretty hot. So I have here these hot stones. They work great. The bed works perfectly. It's just very comfy. It's very soft, and it's very warm. I think this is going to be a beautiful night. Even though I have no sleeping bag, I have no gear at all, it will be great. And sky is pretty clear, and I can see all the stars. It's just gorgeous. I'm very sorry that you can't see it with me here. I'm gonna wait for 1 more hour to feed the fire, then I'm gonna try to get some sleep, because the sun will rise around 5 a.m. which is great for this time of the year, and I will see you guys a bit later. Alright, the midnight just passed so easily. I'm gonna try to get some sleep, and I'm gonna feed this fire a little bit more, and I have a lot of these hot rocks. They work just great. I'm pretty warm. I'm even thinking of getting off this jacket because stones are doing a great job. So good night guys, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning guys, 6:30. The night was pretty good, it was pretty warm. Those hot rocks did a great job, and I slept hour, then 30 minutes I would just bring more firewood, then hour of sleep again, but it was a pretty great night. The bed was very good. I felt no cold beneath me, so that's most important. And yeah, all this cave is just reflecting heat like crazy. Now I'm gonna wait the sun to come out a little bit more, and then I'm gonna try to find something to eat. It is time of year when we have this wild asparagus around. I'm gonna take a few to make the great breakfast. Thank you all for being with me. If you like this content, hit the like button, comment, make sure to subscribe if you're new. And if you want to see more, click some of these videos, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.